HENGKO Supply is a leading provider of special and high-end, high-difficulty sintered metal filters. These filters are meticulously crafted to meet the unique needs of your filtration project and device. With OEM capabilities, HENGKO ensures that each filter is tailored to the specific requirements of the client, delivering unparalleled performance and quality. Trust HENGKO for your next filtration project, and experience the difference that precision engineering can make.